Passive income made easy. Passive income is the money you earn without actively working for it. Instead, it is generated through assets that continue to produce income over time. One of the best ways to generate passive income is through earning online. In this video, we will discuss some strategies for earning passive income online. Create and sell digital products. Digital products are items that can be downloaded and sold online, such as ebooks, courses, software, and audio files. They are a popular way to generate passive income because they can be created once and sold repeatedly. If you have knowledge or skill in a specific area, creating and selling digital products can be a great way to earn passive income. For example, a writer can create an ebook on how to write a novel, and a musician can sell their music on a digital platform. Invest in stock and cryptocurrencies. Investing in stock and cryptocurrencies can also be a great way to generate passive income online. Investing in stocks allows you to earn dividends from the company profits, while investing in cryptocurrencies allows you to earn from the fluctuation in the digital assets value. While it is important to notice that investing comes with risks, doing research and seeking professional advice can help mitigate these risks. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can be fun and profitable way to earn passive income online. You can create content in a specific niche or on a topic you are passionate about. Once you have built an audience, you can earn money through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and revenue. For example, a blogger who writes about travel can earn money through affiliate marketing by promoting travel gear or sponsored posts for the hotel and resorts. Create an online course. Create an online course is another way to generate passive income online, similar to creating digital products. Online courses can be created once and sold repeatedly. If you have experience in a specific area, you can create a course or platform like Udemy or Teachable. For example, a fitness instructor can create a course how to train for a marathon, and chef can create course on how to cook gourmet meals. Sell products through an e-commerce store. Finally, selling products through an e-commerce store can be a great way to generate passive income online. You can sell physical products such as clothing, beauty products, or home decor, or digital products such as stock photos or templates. You can create your own e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify, or sell on existing marketplace like Amazon or eBay. For example, a graphic designer can sell digital products like website template or design elements on Etsy. Conclusion. In conclusion, earning passive income online requires efforts and dedication upfront, but can be a great way to generate income over time by creating digital products, investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Start a blog or YouTube channel, creating an online course, or selling products through an e-commerce store. You can begin to generate passive income and potentially achieve financial freedom. Thank you.